Do you dream of going viral? Do you imagine your video count ticking up to millions in a single day? Visual montage, quick flashes of notifications, exploding view graphs, excited reactions. Many people think it is pure luck, like winning the lottery. I am here to tell you that is not the whole story. Going viral is a science. It is a craft you can learn. This guide is the Playbook, written for today, 2025-10-17. We will break down exact steps. Forget luck. We are going to build a system for your success. This is not about getting famous overnight. It is about real connection with an audience. A viral video can amplify your message, launch a business, build a community, and change your life. Before you ever press record, you must lay the foundation. The first block is your niche. Choose one clear topic. Do not try to be everything to everyone. Pick a topic you are passionate about. Retro gaming, vegan baking, drone cinematography, or student finance. A specific niche helps YouTube understand who your videos are for and recommend them. Do not post one video and hope. Plan your first 10 and write the titles. Think like a series. Each video builds on the last and fuels binge watching. Every video needs one clear purpose. Keep it simple and focused. Do not overload. Keep it tight. 5 to 8 minutes is perfect to start. You are building an empire. Your niche is the land. Your plan the blueprint. Some videos are houses. One becomes a skyscraper, supported by the city around it. Now let's talk about the secret formula, the engine behind every video. I call it the Hook-Value-CTA ladder, a 3-step structure for retention and engagement. Apply it every time and watch your channel performance climb. The hook. You have under 5 seconds. Make a powerful promise or burning question. Try. This one mistake is costing you thousands, then show a glimpse of the end result. The hook is a contract. Promise value for their time, or they click away. Value. Deliver the promise. Clear steps, real outcomes, and useful takeaways. Move them with story. Entertain with moments. Highlight key points on screen. CTA. Tell them what to do next. Subscribe, comment with their experience, or watch the next video. Ask, what topic should I cover next? It sparks engagement and grows community. Your video could be a masterpiece, but it means nothing if no one clicks. Your thumbnail and title are the gateway. They must create curiosity and a clear benefit. Treat them like advertising, the difference between 100 and 100,000 views. Use bright contrast, a clear, emotional face, and minimal bold text, 2 or 3 words. Communicate the idea instantly. Think movie poster. Compelling and clear. Bad, dark, blurry, too much text. Good, bright, clear face, minimal bold text. The title complements the thumbnail and expands the promise. Be clear, searchable, curious. Start with how, why, secret warning, and use numbers like 5 mistakes or 7 steps. Accurate titles only. Misleading clickbait kills retention and trust. Bad, my pancake recipe. Good, how to make perfect pancakes in 5 minutes. The thumbnail confirms it. You nailed the hook, value, and CTA with a killer thumbnail and title. Now what? The first 24 hours are critical. Be present, reply immediately. Activity signals the algorithm and boosts reach. Consistency is your superpower. Pick a schedule and stick to it. Tell viewers your cadence. Train fans and the algorithm. Promote across platforms with an exciting clip. Link clearly to the full video. Study your data. CTR for clicks. Retention to spot drop-offs. Fix weak hooks or slow middles. Create, publish, analyze, improve, repeat. Action today. Record a 2-minute hook test. Upload unlisted, watch, and refine. This is your first step. Start now and get going. Let us begin.